everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone volume buttons not working in iOS 17.2.1. If your iPhone volumes button are not working suddenly, it brings many conveniences. You can't control your iPhone sound, take screenshot or restart your device. Don't worry, you are not alone. Many iPhone users have reported that the volume controls are not responding on their iPhones after the iOS 17.2 update. iPhone volumes control can stop working for several reasons such as clogged buttons or software glitches. So I have drafted the most effective ways to fix your iPhone volume button not working properly issue. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is ensure volume buttons are enabled. Before we dive into anything technical, it is wise to clear the basics. So let's enable the volume buttons with the device settings. For this, launch the settings app. Scroll down and then tap on sound and haptics. Toggle on change with buttons. While at it, peek through the ringer and alert system, sound system and media volume parameters. Ensure that the device sound settings are not set to silent mode and you are done. And the next step is ensure the ringer switch is on. Sometimes users intentionally or accidentally activate the silent mode on your devices. So make sure that the silent mode switch is not enabled. An easy flick to the mute switch may solve this problem. If your device ringer was set to ring, simply disable and re-enable it and you are done. And the next step is restart iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is force quiet the app experiencing volume issue. If you find the volume buttons unresponsive for a particular set of apps on your iPhone, it could mean that the app is facing conflicts. If this is your case, force quiet the app. You just need to open the app switcher and swipe up the apps experiencing volume issues and you are done. And the next step is disable focus mode. Another factor that could make your iPhone go silent and make it seem that the volume buttons have stopped working is active focus mode. Minimize the distraction by filtering the notifications and limiting incoming calls. However, it may affect the volume control's abilities. For this, swipe down from the top right side to open the control center and then tap on the focus button and then tap on the do not disturb mode to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. If the new software is here, then download and install and you are done. And the next step is reset your iPhone. If the problem persists and there is no update available, for this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on erase all content and settings and then tap on continue to confirm and then tap on erase iPhone again to confirm and you are done. And to control volume, you can also use control center and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of iPhone volume buttons not working in iOS 17, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.